Hi, and welcome back to Cat and Dogs on Wheels. I'm Cat, this is Smokey, my assistant, and this is Sleepy RJ today. I was going to talk about building my bed today, but there was so much chatter on Facebook about solar power and the issues, the expense of it, and yet we all need it as nomads. So I switched it up, and today we're going to talk about my solar power system. Now, start out by, there's so many of us out there that installing our own system is really a joke. I mean, check out the wires. And if you know nothing about electrical, I mean, I couldn't even hook up my backup camera. So I know about positive to positive, negative to negative, but it's a lot more complicated than that. That gets me jumping with jumper cables, but that does not get me wiring a system into the bus. So I would have to pay someone to install it. Also, if you have someone install your system, you have to buy the solar panels, the batteries, the inverter, the charger, the fuse box, and all the wiring and fittings that connects it all. And then you have to know how to connect it all. So you're talking a pretty big outlay of money to get your solar system installed. Well, I had to find a way around that, and for me, the only logical way was plug and play with solar generators and battery packs. Alrighty, let's go to my shore power access. That's very simple and easy. I have an extension cord that I run through a window and plug into a power strip. My power strip has two USB chargers on it too, so that's my shore power. Not complicated, and I don't have to mess with all the crazy bus wiring. So my power needs are pretty minimal. I have lighting, which I have a little USB lamp. She's really cute, bendable, $20 at Amazon. I've got these lights. I love these. They're magnetic backed. Woohoo! You can move them anywhere. I have two of them, and they were $20 a piece. I have my sound system. My fancy sound system is earphones and a little USB speaker. I think these were about $20 on Amazon. And this, I don't even know. I've had it for so long, I don't even remember where I got it. And then I have three little power banks. One is permanently, well, not permanently, but one is attached to my tripod to keep my camera going, my phone going, and that is one of the other things that it charges. So all those power needs are powered by my little $100 NextPow solar battery bank. My two big draws of power are my laptop and my fridge. And my fridge isn't really a big draw other than it runs 24/7. It's my little Apicool C20. It's a 21 quart fridge. Serves my needs. The size smaller, the only difference is it doesn't have this thick lid that allows you to stand up stuff. So I don't recommend going smaller than this just because you need the height. The second thing about your fridge is for conserving power, you want to give her insulation. I gave mine insulation all the way around her three sides, and then I insulated the top. Before I insulated my fridge, I had the temperature set to keep everything at the right temperature. Then after I insulated it, it started freezing everything, and I had to raise the temperature. So much more efficient if it's insulated. For the fridge and the laptop, I have to bring out the big guns. I love my big guns. Oh, they're heavy, but worth every pound. Okay, my Jackery 1000. I saved for months to get this. And I was actually, there was this and installing my wood stove, both about the same price. And I had in mind, because winter was, coming, I had in mind that the wood stove would come first. But then Jackery had this great sale, and these went down from $1,000 to $850. So I got this, and now I'm limping through my winter with propane heat, and I'll get my wood stove done this summer. But this Jackery, if I just only use it for my fridge, runs my fridge for 6 days with still 20% power left over. With my laptop, using my laptop intermittently with my fridge all the time, it lasts for about 3 days, maybe 4. And what I can do is, one of the ways I conserve power is I only use my laptop for work, and then I use my phone for research and social networking and entertainment. And these run my phone forever. The beauty about the Jackery is, while I'm charging the Jackery, I can plug in all my other things that need power into the Jackery, and the Jackery will charge those while it's getting itself charged. So it's sort of like an all-in-one unit. The thing about the Jackeries is they are expensive. Watch for a sale. On Amazon, a lot of times Jackery will be promoting themselves through another YouTuber, and they'll give them a discount code. So it's pretty regular that you can find discount codes for the Jackery on YouTube. So I've actually ordered my first solar panel because spring is coming. I'm starting to see some sunny days, so I'm going to start charging my units with solar. I found a Dokio solar panel for $250, and it's a 220 watt solar panel. So I feel pretty, girl power. I did it knowing zero about electricity, actually afraid of electricity, on a very, very limited budget, and I got power. It is possible to set yourself up with a solar system affordably over time, and if you don't know anything about solar, plug and play is an awesome way to go. So next week, we'll check out the bed.